Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Adora Landicho. I have one sister and I'm the youngest one. I live in Laguna, but I grew up in Tacloban City. I took up college at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines and graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Mathematics in 1995.
Okay.
I have an 8 years old child who's with us right now, and I'm presently working as a document controller in Eastern International Plastic Packaging. But before I worked there, I worked as I took care of a 74 years old man for 2 years.
Okay. So the old man he was in good health, or he was bedridden?
He's a bedridden man already.
Oh.
I took him out, give his medicines from time to time, feed him also, and
Did you need to help him to take a bath?
Yes, because he's bedridden already.
Okay. He was suffering from stroke.
Stroke and a diabetic person.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes.
So you want to work in Hong Kong. So who will take care of your son?
My sister and also my husband can take care of him.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to cook?
I do cook Filipino foods like adobo and sinigang, also vegetables, salad sometimes.
How can you control your homesickness?
I can control myself from homesickness by concentrating my work there all the time.
Okay. Do you know how to do the marketing?
Yes.
You know
First,
that?
yes, sir. First, I have to jot down the important things to buy and budget the money that my employer will give, and of course, get the receipt from the store.
Okay, good. What are the most important things to take care of the children?
The most important things to take care of our children is to make sure that they have their meals and they are free from accident all the time.
Yeah, the safety, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you need to send the children to school? Go to school. Do you need to send them to school?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer, they are not at home and the child has a fever, so what are you going to do?
First of all, check his temperature, then make give it the first aid, and then inform my employer that their child is having a fever or whatever.
Okay, if the two children, they are fighting in the house, what will you do?
First, I'll talk with them nicely, separate them, and tell them what is good and what is bad.
Okay. If there's a stranger ring the doorbell and ask you to open the door, so what are you going to do?
I won't open the door unless my employer will have an instruction that they're having a visitor or whatever.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, sir.
It's okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer, they are not at home, how you would answer the telephone call?
I would answer the phone by asking what's the caller, and then jot down the number so that if my employer will come home, then I'll tell them that somebody had called.
Okay. Are you afraid of the dog and cats?
No, I'm not afraid.
You don't afraid?
Yes, sir.
Do you mind your day off will you not be on Sunday?
No, I don't mind.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.